We'll guide you through how to make a product box on Pixlr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating 3D product boxes is useful for marketing, branding, and online presentations. In your desktop menu, type Chrome in the search field. Click to open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝘀𝗀.com. Press Enter. Wait for the website to load. Click Pixlr E. Click Create New and set your canvas size according to your needs. Then click Create to begin working. Go to the toolbar and select the Rectangle tool. Then draw a vertical rectangle on the canvas and choose a base color for it. Duplicate the rectangle and move it slightly to the right, which will act as the side face. Change the side color to a darker shade to create depth and make the shape look more three-dimensional. Select the Polygon tool and create a top face shape that connects the front and side faces. Then fill it with a lighter color to complete the basic 3D box structure. Now click Add Image as Layer and import your product design. Then resize it to fit the front face properly. Duplicate the design layer and place it onto the side face. Then lower its opacity slightly so it blends naturally with the perspective. Add a drop shadow effect and adjust the blur and opacity settings until the shadow looks soft and realistic. Carefully align all elements so the edges match and the box appears clean and balanced. Finally, save or export your project in your preferred format to complete the design process. Make sure each layer is properly positioned before finalizing, and zoom in if necessary to refine edges and corners for better accuracy. Use the Move tool to nudge elements into place and maintain consistent spacing between faces. If needed, adjust colors again to improve contrast between the front, side, and top faces so the three-dimensional effect stands out clearly. Keep your layers organized by naming them appropriately to avoid confusion while editing. You can also toggle layer visibility to check alignment and ensure nothing overlaps incorrectly.